this is Navi from penhouse.in. Today we are going to review this Sailor 1911 model fountain pen. We'll look at the pen first. Wow! It came in a luxurious box because the Sailor brand is a luxury pen. This color combination is nice, black and gold. Wow! In this video, we are going to see construction of the pen, overall length, weight and writing of the pen. Before going to one video, kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. Before reviewing this pen, we need to know the history of the Sailor, right? Sailor is one of the three big Japanese fountain pen companies founded in 1911. They are primarily known for their 21 karat and 14 karat gold nibs. So all the Sailor pens will have that type of nibs. Now we'll look into this pen. Wow! It's just amazing. This overall body is made up of PMMA resin. And look at the gold trims. Wow! And there is a secret is hiding here. I'll say that feature later. Now we look onto the clip, and it's a easy friendly clip, so we can easily insert this in a pocket or diary. And it's a flat round. It's a flat finial over in the top and in the bottom. You can see here in the top there is a Sailor anchor logo over here. It's cute. Okay. In the band they have mentioned Sailor Japan founded 1911, and we are going to unscrew the cap, and you can see your ink window, so we can easily check the ink level. And this is a thread type cap. We are going to unscrew the pen. Wow, look at the grip section. This grip section is also a resin. It's a nice grip section, but it's very small. You can see here. Okay. For some hand users, it might be not suit. Okay. This is a dual tone nib. One is gold, another one is silver. It's 21 karat 875. It's a gold plated nib. It's an original gold. And this nib is a medium nib. They have mentioned in this side. All the Sailor nibs they have mentioned on the side of this part. They have mentioned what type of nib is it. And it's not a plain feed. You can see here. Now we'll see what type of ink system. I have already told you that we have a secret here, right? It's a seamless invisible piston type ink filler. So you can see here. When we unscrew it, you can see the piston type. When we screw it, you can't see that because it's seamless invisible. Okay. Now we'll see the construction of the pen, the overall weight, length. We'll check that now, and we'll back to our video. Now we are going to check the overall length of this Sailor 1911 model. So we are going to calculate the overall length of this pen. Okay, it's 134.16 mm. Now we are going to unscrew the cap and check the length. 117.78 mm. Now we'll check the diameter. It's 10.70 mm. Now we'll check the grip section, the thread type diameter. It's 12.58 mm. Okay. So now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this pen. It's 20 gram. Now we are going to unscrew the cap and check the weight. It's 11 gram, and this cap carries 9 gram. Okay. Now we'll move on to the video. Now we saw the overall weight and length. It's a lightweight pen. It's not a heavy pen, so we can easily carry wherever we want. And this is a luxurious pen. Now I'll do the writing test. So we'll see whether it's writing smooth or hard. We'll check that now. Now we are going to do the writing sample of this Sailor pen. So that we are going to use signal rose color. This ink has been manufactured in penhouse.in. We are going to dip the ink, and then we are going to rub in a cloth, and then we are going to use. And this is hard medium nib. Okay, we'll see how it's writing. Penhouse.in, and this is signal rose in color. Signal rose. and this is a sailor pen, and it's hard medium. Okay, it's not writing very hard. I can feel the smoothness in like a medium nib. We can feel the smoothness. Now we'll do the rubbing test. It's not overflowing, and we'll do the smoothness test now. Okay. Now I'll do alphabets. Nice. Okay. While writing again and again, the tiny part of hardness also it's going. Okay, then now we'll move on to the video. Now we did the writing sample and it's just amazing. I've already mentioned that we used Penhouse manufactured ink, that is signal rose color. If you want to purchase that type of ink bottles or any other spare items you need, you can contact penhouse.in. We are available with different types of spares. So link in the description. Okay. Now we came to the end of the session and it's just an amazing pen. This Sailor brand, personally I just love the color combinations. Okay. Now we'll see what is the box. In that box, what are the things are there. It's a luxurious pen, so we have luxurious box. We'll see that. And here is the box. It's in a blue color, navy blue color. You can see here. In that they have mentioned Sailor and then that anchor symbol, logo. And here they have mentioned Sailor. This Sailor pens are manufactured in Japan. And here is that box. You can see it's very smooth and soft. And there is an elastic, so the pen can't come out from the box. You can see here. It's very comfortable and it's very soft. And here there is a tag to see whether take this pen, and they have gave the Sailor Pen Corporation Limited. They have given a manual regarding this types of pens. We'll see to it now. They have given limited warranty for this pen, and they have given fountain pen, ballpoint pen, mechanical pencil, rolling ball, duo color ballpoint pen, multi-purpose writing instrument like cap slide type, retractable type, and mechanical pencil twist type. They have given all the manual things in a single manual sheet, and they have mentioned that keep your writing instrument out of reach of children. This manual is a general instruction manual and may contain some description which do not relate to the product you have purchased. Like we have purchased now, it's a fountain pen. It may be in this manual they have mentioned ballpoint pen. That's not our content, right? So they have mentioned that. And how to use this pen, they have gave pictures over here. So who or I can use this pen? It's a medium nib, so without fail adults can use this pen. It's not a daily usage pen. If you want to use a daily usage pen, you can use, but most probably this pen is for a signing purpose because it's a luxurious pen. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us. Tata, bye bye.